section, you will learn how to start Microsoft Access 2007, learn how to open an existing database file, learn how to work with the navigation pane to list database objects, learn how to work with a table, learn how to work with other database objects, learn how to close a database file, and finally, learn how to exit from Access 2007. Let's begin by learning how to start Microsoft Access 2007. In order to start Microsoft Access 2007, you need to click on your Start menu, then All Programs, and then you need to find Microsoft Office in your list of programs. Click it. Then that will display all parts of Microsoft Office. Then you want to find Microsoft Office Access 2000 in there and click it. Once you click it, it will open on your screen. And after it's been opened, it will display on your screen like so. As we continue, we are now going to look at how to open an existing database file. To begin, you need to have Access open, which you would have done from the previous section. Now, if you click on the More on the right hand side of your Getting Started screen, it will open up the Open File dialog. Now, to continue, you need to point your Open File dialog to the location of your file. In this case, I have placed a folder on the desktop in Access Mod 5. The file we are going to open for this is a sample database. If you single click on that and then click Open, the file will open. As we continue, we are now going to look at working with the navigation pane. The navigation pane is the part of Access that is displayed on the left hand side when you open up a database. If you click on the drop down menu next to where it says All Access Objects, it will open up a little window. In that window, it's got Navigate to Category and Filter by Groups. We are going to work with the Filter by Groups section. If you click on Tables under Filter by Group, everything will disappear apart from any tables contained within the database, like so. Now, if you do the same thing again, except it doesn't say All Database Objects, it says Tables now. If you click the drop down menu, you can change to Queries, and as shown is just the queries. If you click that button again, you can change it to just show the forms or the reports. We are now going to put it back to show all access objects. You will also notice that there is a little double arrow on each section under all access objects. If you click on that, it will hide each object in that section. If you click it again, it will show it again. Same for forms and queries and tables. As we continue, we are now going to look at working with a table. To open a table, you first require a database open, which in this case you should still have a sample database open from previous workings. To open the table, in the navigation pane, which we've previously looked at, under the Table section, if you double click on the asset item, which is the name of the table, it will open up in the datasheet mode. The datasheet mode contains all the data you have entered into the table. To change it to the structure view of it, which is the design view, you click on the View section and View. The structure of the table is all the headings and the description of what each heading is. To change back, you click in the View section again. As we continue, we are now going to look at working with other database objects. As you will see in the navigation pane, you will see there is queries, tables, forms and reports. These are all database objects. The first thing we are going to look at is a query. To run the query, you simply double click on the query. The query we are going to run is cost summed by owner. As you can see, a table has opened containing 14 records. This is the result of running the query. To see what the query is looking for, if you click in the views to change to the structure mode of the query, it lists everything that it's being looked for. Now to change back, you click the view section again and it will change back to the design view. We are also going to look to close this, you click the cross. We are also now going to look at reports. We're going to run the report for assets grouped by owners. To run it, you simply double click. This opens like so, which looks like a printout. To close the report, you simply click Close Print Preview. As we continue, we are now going to look at how to close a database. To close the database, you need to click on the Office button located in the top left-hand corner of your screen, which will open the Office menu. Then at the bottom of the menu, you will see Close Database. If you click that, the database will close and take you back to the Getting Started screen, like so. As we continue, we now draw to a close on Chapter 1, with the last section being how to exit from Access 2007. There is two ways you can exit from Access 2007. The first, you can click on the cross in the top right hand corner of the screen. The second, if you go Office menu button, which will open the Office menu, you can click the Exit Access at the bottom right hand corner of the Office menu. If you do so, it will close, like so. This will take you back to the Windows desktop.